What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pad sensor on this 2001 BMW 325xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. Alright, I want to loosen up these lug bolts. I'm going to use a 17mm socket and a breaker bar. Loosen them up. Now I'm going to raise and support the vehicle. We're using a 2-post lift. If you're doing this at your house, you can use a jack and jack stands. Now I'll take these lug bolts out. Just use the socket to help you get them out. I'm going to just hold the wheel with my other hand so it doesn't fall. Take the last one out. Then I can grab the wheel and slide it off. All right, so I'm gonna use some needle nose and I'm gonna just grab right here, try to squeeze this. This is the brake pad sensor. And then try to pull it out, just like that. There's a little spring in there. And then we can take this off here. That's the retainer that holds it on. Take this wire, there's a little retainer that holds it in right here. It's slotted, just push it towards the vehicle. And then right here, there's another one. Just grab it, pull it out. And there's a little cover right here. Just pull on the snaps for the cover. And we can slide the connector out, just like that. And there's a little button on the back side of the connector. Push that button, slide the connector off. Here's the old brake pad sensor. Here's the new brake pad sensor from 1AAuto.com. If you look at the connector is the same. The wire length is the same, and the sensor is the same. It's got the same spring on it. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you can do it yourself. All right, so take the new sensor, you want to line this up with the connector, make sure it goes that same way, slide it in, lock it in place. If it seems like you're struggling to push it in, you're probably going the wrong direction. Slide this connector back in this bracket, just like that, and this little elbow gets slid right in there, and we can close the door. Slide this into this bracket right there, and same with this one right here. Now before I put the wire through this retainer right here, I'm just gonna slide it in position on that pad. Just take the needle nose pliers to help assist. And just slide that in position, just like that. And then put this retainer right there, lock that down. Now I'm going to install the wheel, line it up with the lug holes, and I'll hold the wheel on, grab a socket with my lug bolt, get that started. All right, now I can lower the vehicle and torque the lug nuts. Now I'm going to use a 17mm socket and this torque wrench that we sell at 1AAuto.com. I'm going to torque these lug bolts to 95 foot-pounds in a star pattern so that it torques the wheel down evenly. I'll just go around again.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.